Botanical and English names. Botanical name: Brunnera, macrophylla. Common English names include heartleaf Brunnera, Siberian Bugloss, perennial forget-me-not, false forget-me-not, and great forget-me-not. Primary uses: ornamental, ground cover. It forms a low, spreading mound 12 to 18 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide, making it an effective ground cover in shaded landscapes. Shade gardens. Ideal for woodland settings, shady borders, and underplanting shrubs and trees. Foliage contrast. Its bold, often silver variegated leaves provide season-long interest and contrast well with ferns and hostas. Key benefits. Aesthetic appeal. Offers beautiful heart-shaped foliage, often with striking silver markings, and sprays of bright blue flowers in spring. Low maintenance. A hardy perennial that's easy to care for in suitable conditions. Wildlife friendly. The flowers attract pollinators to the garden. Adaptable. Thrives in partial to full shade and moist, well-drained soil.